Hello, today we will guide you through how to record screen share and camera side by side in Zoom. If you want your Zoom recordings to show both the shared screen and the camera view next to each other, this setting is easy to turn on once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go directly into Zoom's recording settings so you can make sure your future recordings are saved in the side-by-side layout. Begin by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop application, since that's where these recording preferences are managed. Once Zoom is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. Next, move to the top right corner of the Zoom window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps access to your personal app options and preferences. If you're already signed in, you should see your account menu appear right away. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for the Zoom app. Inside Settings, you'll find a range of categories that control how Zoom behaves, including audio, video, meetings, and recordings. For this task, we'll be working specifically in the recording section. Once the settings window is open, click on Recording. This area contains the options related to how your meetings are captured and saved. If you record presentations, tutorials, or team updates, this section is especially useful because it lets you decide what your final video will look like. Now look for the checkbox that enables recording the screen share side by side, and click it to turn it on. This is the key setting that tells Zoom to save recordings with the shared content and the camera view displayed next to each other instead of using a different layout. After the box is checked, the setting is usually saved automatically, so there's typically no need to click a separate save button. That's all you need to do. With this option enabled, your next eligible recording should use the side-by-side format, which can make your videos feel more personal and easier to follow, especially for training, demos, or presentations. As a quick reminder, it's a good idea to double-check this setting before starting an important recording, just to make sure it's still enabled. And if your recording doesn't look the way you expect, revisit the recording settings in Zoom and confirm that the side-by-side checkbox remains selected. You're now ready to record your screen share and camera side by side in Zoom.